Hello students, welcome back. Now we are going to discuss the continuity of composite function. So here this is a very important topic in this continuity. So you must learn the things in continuity of composite function. These are very important. So we'll discuss continuity of composite function. Let first case we are discussing. Let fx and gx be both continuous. Then first case, let hx equals to fx plus gx is continuous. Second, hx equals to fx minus gx is continuous. Third, fx into gx is continuous. Third, hx equals to fx upon gx for those value of x where gx is not equal to 0. For all values of x except gx is not equal to 0. So you can see here that when fx and gx both are continuous, then the sum of the function is continuous, difference of the function is continuous, product of the function is continuous, and division of the function is continuous for all the values of x except where gx is equal to 0. For these values, only function will be not continuous. So in this case, we have discussed when fx and gx both are continuous. Now we'll discuss fx is continuous and gx is discontinuous. Then first hx fx plus gx fx minus gx fx upon gx, these three are discontinuous. But third one, hx is equal to gx into fx may be continuous or discontinuous. While these three will be discontinuous, but fourth case may be continuous or discontinuous. For example, body when fx is equal to x for all x belonging to real number and gx is sine 1 by x when x is not equal to 0 and it is 0 when x is equal to 0. So we can see that fx into gx that will be equal to x sine 1 by x when x is not equal to 0 and it is 0 when x equals to 0. So we can see that this at x equals to 0, hx is continuous. So you can see these three will be discontinuous, but fourth case fx into gx may be continuous or discontinuous. So these are the functions which I have taken. Fx equal to x belongs to real number, gx is sine 1 upon x is not equal to 0 and it is 0 when x is equal to 0. So fx gx is equal to x of sine 1 by x where x is not equal to 0. It is 0 when x equal to 0. So we can see very clearly that function is continuous at x equals to 0. So in this case, function may be continuous or discontinuous. Now we are going for third one. Third case, fx and gx both are discontinuous. then fx plus gx, b, fx minus gx, c, fx upon gx will be discontinuous, but at D, hx equals to fx into gx may be continuous or discontinuous. So these three will be discontinuous, but fourth case fx equals to hx equal to fx into gx may be continuous or discontinuous. Now we have an example. Say for fx is equal to 1 minus 1 when x greater than equal to 0 and x less than 0. We have gx, which is minus 1 when x is greater than equal to 0 and it is 1 when x is greater than 0. So we can see that fx into gx, this is equal to minus 1 for all x belonging to real number. So we can see that function is at x equals to 0, it is continuous for every real value of x. So we can see that in these three cases function is discontinuous, while in the fourth case function is discontinuous. Now we are moving to next. See, for a function hx is f of g of t. It means f of g of tx. If at x equals to a, tx is discontinuous. At x is equal to b, g of tx is discontinuous, and at x equals to c, f of g of fx is discontinuous. Then hx will be discontinuous at x is equal to a, b and c. So we have to see at every stages when tx at what point these functions are discontinuous, gx at what point it is discontinuous, and third case f at what point the function is discontinuous. When we are taking overall function, they will take all the point of discontinuity, and this overall function will be discontinuous at all the point of discontinuity at different stages. For example, say for fx is equal to 1 upon 1 minus. So we can see that at x is equal to 1, fx is discontinuous. Then f of f, it means f of fx. So we can see that 1 minus fx, so 1 upon 1 minus 1 upon 1 minus x, 1 minus x minus 1 upon 1 minus x. 1 minus x upon minus x, so x minus 1 upon x. So we can see that x minus 1 upon x at x equals to 0, it is discontinuous. And f of f means f of fx. So 1 minus 1 minus f of fx. It is 1 minus 1 minus x minus 1 upon x. So x upon x minus x plus 1. This is equal to x. So it is continuous everywhere. But when we are discussing as a whole, say for hx, f of fx, then is discontinuous at x equals to say for 1, then 0. So this function is discontinuous at x equals to 0 and 1. So you have to see at each and every state of the function. When at what point fx is discontinuous, at what point f of fx is discontinuous, at what point f of fx is discontinuous. So as a whole, we'll take all the points of discontinuity together. So that's all in this video. I hope you must have understood the concept of discontinuity in composite function, and please go watch the full video, refer and subscribe. Thank you.